Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD CAD Australian dollar Canadian dollar for Monday, 24th May 2021. So this analysis is for 24th May Monday and the coming week only. And if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And if you're a complete beginner, you are new to trading, then I have a small playlist in the form of a course in my YouTube channel for Forex and stock learning course for beginners. Here you'll get a basic idea and information about the functioning of the market, how the charts work, the chart patterns, the candlestick charts, and support and resistance indicators, how they function. Okay, you'll get a basic idea about the functioning of the market. So if you're a beginner, you are totally lost, then this small playlist or the course is right for you. Okay, you'll find in my YouTube channel. And if you're interested in learning from me, then you can go to my website avilashajika.com/workshop, where you'll find the required information. Okay, so let's get back to the chart again. So this is the chart of AUD CAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and if you look at the chart, then you can easily tell that market is in downtrend. There's no doubt about it. Okay, and you can see that I have drawn few lines here. Okay, first of all, I would like to mention that though the market is in downtrend, okay, but market is beautifully following or getting resistance from the 50 moving average. So this kind of a markets are quite easier to trade because this is a trending market, or and trending markets are always easier to trade. Okay, so in a market like this, the strategy always remains simple. Whenever market will be going up or is going up, it is getting resistance from the 50 moving average, and when you will be seeing the market is reversing from the resistance, just short the market. So, and if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you're in a good profit right now, because I told you to short the market here. Okay, and you can see that right now market is trading here. Okay, so if you are in a profit right now, then enjoy the profit, and if you're looking for a fresh opportunity, then you'll have to wait for some time, because see, I have already told you that market is in downtrend and it is getting resistance from the 50 moving average. So one thing is very clear to us, that the best trading opportunity will be near the 50 moving average. And right now you can see that market is trading far away from the 50 moving average. So if you go ahead and short the market right here or sell, then your risk to reward ratio does not match. So this is not the ideal position to short the market right now. And as the market is in downtrend, and you cannot go for buying order, because see, if you go for buying order, then you'll get trapped and you'll be making losses. Okay, because see, at any cost you should not be compromising with the trading discipline. So in a downtrend market, if you go for buying order, then you are totally on your own, you are taking a huge risk. Okay, so you should always follow the trend of the market. Trend is downward, therefore you should always be looking for the shorting opportunity. And right now market is quite a distance from the 50 moving average, so you'll have to wait. Okay, you'll have to wait for the market to go up. When market will be going up and hit the 50 moving average, then just observe the price and see how the price is doing. If you see the price is getting rejection from the 50 moving average again, okay, like a red candle like this, or a price rejection from above like this, you'll get a shooting star kind of a pattern. Once you get the confirmation that yes, price is still getting rejected from above, it is struggling near the resistance, then you can short the market at the 50 moving average again. And you can see that market is also following a trend line kind of a pattern. Okay, so market has got twin resistances, one in the form of a trend line, second in the form of a 50 moving average. So there's a good possibility that whenever market will be going up, it will be getting resistance from the mm, from the 50 moving average on the trend line. And in the downside also, we can draw a line here. Okay, so this line is not that important as of now. Okay, and the and on there is a third line you can see on the chart. This is the black line. Okay, for this black line we need to go to the weekly chart. If you have watched my previous video, then you know I'm a fan of weekly chart. I'm a fan of multi-time frame analysis. Okay. So this is the weekly chart. In the weekly chart, we can see that market has formed a red candle this week. Previous week, market formed a red candle with price rejection from below. Okay. And if you look at a weekly chart, we can see that there is a support at this particular level, 0.9, sorry, 0.9246. Market has got support on the weekly chart at this level. That's why I have drawn a black line. Okay, so there is a possibility that market is near the support. So there is a possibility that when market will be hitting or reaching this particular level, 0.9246, market may see some buying pressure. Market may bounce from this particular level because this level is from the weekly chart, the time frame of the big players. Therefore, okay, therefore, if you find market near this level at the 50 moving average, and if you see that market is getting price rejection from above, you can short the market. Okay, you can easily short the market at the 50 moving average, but do remember that market has a support at the weekly chart, this level. Okay, so if you go for a short order here at the 50 moving average, then do remember you need to come out, or this will be your exit price, 0.9244, sorry, 0.9246. So if you enter here, then you'll have to exit here because there is a possibility that market may reverse from here. Okay, so this is it. It's a trending market. Market is in downtrend, so you'll get the shorting opportunity or wait for the shorting opportunity. Do not take any impulsive decision. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.